Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PDFs for study. First, let's talk about annotation. Highlighting is crucial for identifying important information at a glance. You can use different colors, perhaps one for definitions and another for examples. Adding comments and notes directly onto the document helps you engage more deeply with the material. This active process of marking up your PDFs can significantly improve your comprehension and retention of complex topics, making your study sessions much more productive and efficient. Next, let's focus on organization and search capabilities. Keeping your study materials well organized is key to saving time and reducing stress. Create dedicated folders for each subject or project and rename your PDF files with clear, descriptive titles. This makes finding specific documents much easier. Furthermore, the powerful search function within most PDF readers allows you to instantly locate any keyword or phrase across hundreds of pages, saving you valuable minutes during revision. Now, let's explore some interactive features that can enhance your PDF study experience. Bookmarks are incredibly useful for marking important sections, allowing you to jump directly to them with just one click. You can also embed hyperlinks within your PDFs to connect to related documents or external web resources, creating a rich, interconnected study environment. Adjusting the zoom level and text size ensures comfortable reading for extended periods, reducing eye strain and improving focus. Finally, let's discuss how to effectively summarize and review your PDF content. After annotating, you can often extract just your highlighted sections to form concise study guides, perfect for quick revision. Regularly reviewing these notes, perhaps for 10 to 15 minutes each day, helps reinforce the material in your long-term memory. Consider converting key concepts from selected pages into digital flashcards for active recall practice, a highly effective method for mastering information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.